Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn the tutorial on Vtiger project management. Log in to Vtiger CRM and select the project module from the menu. Now click Plus Project, fill in the name, timeline, and budget. Then break the project into subtasks with assignees and deadlines. Mark key phases under Gantt chart or Kanban view. You can use the Team tab to add members with roles or permissions. Next, update task status and log hours. Here, upload docs via the Documents tab for reference. After that, pull project health, budget, or timeline reports. Lastly, sync with email, calendar, or third-party apps. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.